Mr. Benny and the Very Smart Chicken. Mr. Benny is a small man. He is not tall. He is not strong, but he has a very big dream. Mr. Benny wants to be famous. He lives in a small house in a small village. In his garden, he has one chicken. The chicken's name is Lola. Lola is not a normal chicken. Lola is special. Chapter 1. The Surprise. Every morning, Mr. Benny wakes up at 7 o'clock. He drinks tea. He eats bread. Then he goes to the garden. "Good morning, Lola," he says. "Cluck," says Lola. One morning, Mr. Benny sees something strange. Lola is not walking. She is not eating. She is not sleeping. She is reading. Yes, reading. She has a small book under her wing. Mr. Benny looks left. He looks right. He looks again. "Lola, can you read?" he asks. Lola looks at him. "Cluck," she says. But this cluck sounds different. It sounds smart. Very smart. Chapter 2. The Test. Mr. Benny is confused. "This is not possible," he says. "Chickens do not read books." He runs inside the house. He brings a newspaper. "Okay, Lola," he says. "Read this." Lola looks at the newspaper. She moves her head left to right. Slowly, carefully. Then she walks to Mr. Benny and pecks one word. The word is weather. Mr. Benny opens his mouth. "What?" He looks at the newspaper. The story says, "The weather is very hot today." Mr. Benny looks at the sun. It is very hot. Lola is correct. Mr. Benny sits down on the grass. "My chicken is a genius," he whispers. Chapter 3. Big Plans. That night, Mr. Benny cannot sleep. He thinks and thinks and thinks. "I can be famous," he says. "Lola can help me." The next day, he makes a big sign. "Come and see the smart chicken. Only $2. People from the village come. Mrs. Green comes. Mr. Blue comes. Even little Timmy comes. They stand in the garden. Mr. Benny smiles. "Welcome," he says. "This is Lola. She can read." People laugh. "A chicken?" says Mrs. Green. "This is silly." "Please watch," says Mr. Benny. He gives Lola a book. Lola opens the book. She pecks at a word. The word is apple. Little Timmy is holding an apple. Everyone looks at Lola. Everyone looks at the apple. The people are quiet. Very quiet. Then, "Wow!" shouts Timmy. Chapter 4. Lola the Star. Now Mr. Benny is busy every day. Many people come. Some people bring books. Some people bring magazines. One man brings a big English dictionary. Lola works very hard. She reads short words. She pecks the correct word. She never makes a mistake. Mr. Benny is very happy. He buys a new hat, a very big hat. He says, "I am the manager of the smartest chicken in the world." Lola just eats corn. Chapter 5. The problem. One day, a serious woman comes to the garden. She wears black glasses. She has a notebook. She does not smile. "My name is Dr. Smart," she says. "I am from the City Science Center." Mr. Benny is nervous. Dr. Smart looks at Lola. She says, "I want to test this chicken." She puts 3 cards on the table. Cat, dog, fish. She shows a picture of a cat. "Choose," she says. Lola looks at the cards. She walks slowly, very slowly. Mr. Benny sweats. Mrs. Green closes her eyes. Little Timmy whispers, "Come on, Lola." Lola pecks. She pecks. Cat. Everyone jumps and shouts, "Yay!" Dr. Smart does not smile. "Again," she says. Now she shows a picture of a fish. Lola pecks fish. Again correct. Dr. Smart writes in her notebook. Finally, she smiles a little. "This chicken is very intelligent," she says. Mr. Benny almost cries. "I know," he says. Chapter 6. The Secret. That night, Mr. Benny sits with Lola. "Lola," he says softly, "how are you so smart?" Lola looks at him. She walks to the small tree in the garden. Behind the tree is a box. Inside the box are many children's books. Mr. Benny remembers something. Last year, a school closed in the village. The teacher left many books in the garden. Lola lived near those books. Every day, she looked at the books. Every day, she saw letters. Every day, she learned, slowly, little by little. Mr. Benny smiles. "You are not magic," he says. "You are hard-working." Lola closes her eyes proudly. Chapter 7. The Big Show. 1 month later, Lola is on TV. "Yes, TV," the reporter says. "This is Lola, the reading chicken." Mr. Benny stands next to her. He is wearing his big hat. "Lola, can you read this word?" asks the reporter. The word is success. Lola looks at it. She walks forward. She pecks success. Everyone claps. Mr. Benny looks at Lola. "You are successful," he says. Lola looks at Mr. Benny. "Cluck," she says. This time, the cluck sounds happy. Very happy. The ending. Now Mr. Benny is famous. But he is not famous because he is smart. He is famous because he believes in Lola. And Lola, she still lives in the small garden. She still eats corn. She still reads every day. Because smart chickens never stop learning.